This is a 900-year-old crusader sword found off Israel's coast in October 2021. Shlomi Katzin discovered the 1-meter sword while diving off just a few kilometers from Atlit Castle, a crusader fortress near the northern coast of Israel.
Because of the area where the sword was found, not so far from the crusader castle of Atlit, which is a Templar castle during the early 13th century, we are assuming that it belonged to the crusader period because of the size, because of the other artifacts that belong to the site.
The oxidized iron caused shells and marine organisms to stick to it. Archaeologists believe the sword was likely lost overboard in battle, as X-rays reveal a slightly bent blade and misaligned crossbar.
Following the weight of the sword, we assume that the knight that hold this sword was very strong, because to fight with this weight and this size of sword, it wasn't so easy. There are others that bigger than this one, like what we call two-hand sword, but this is still very heavy. That means that the guy that hold this sword and fight with it was very strong. I'm trying to imagine him on the field with all the armor on him and the sword and fighting with it. It should be really in a good fitness. Maybe they were bigger than us today, but definitely stronger. And it's amazing.